Hi guys. Hi, I can't really shout. I don't know, I lost my voice for some reason. How are you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel if you're an old subscriber, and if you're new, please hit the subscribe button and make sure you watch the video till the end. I'm so happy today because we've hit like over 100 subscribers. We're hoping to do more if you guys would just hit the button to help this ministry to move to the permanent site. Thanks for coming back to my channel. Stay tuned. So this is a quick tutorial to show you how I install my ponytail. I created this ponytail many months ago, sometime in 2019, and this is the part 2 of the video. I'm going to link in the description box below the first part of this tutorial so you can watch how I created this ponytail. It's some very random hair I bought in the market, in our local market here in Lagos, Nigeria. So I made a ponytail with the material and it looks something like this. So I just want to show you how it turned out and how it looks on my hair. So let's just jump right in and stay tuned, okay? So it has the hook, and then it also has the whatever you use to secure the hair. Spray this because it's not really human hair, it's just there, so just spray. Take the rope round the hair and that's all. See, you can make your ponytail in the house. Just get the materials. If you don't know where to get it and you're in Nigeria, please connect with me on Instagram and I will give you all the supplies you need. Get any random hair you have at home, get the nets and sew the thing, and that's all you need. And then I'm looking so pretty. If you do not say, yes, I know I look really pretty. I could just go out on a date looking like this, all yummy and beautiful, just by attaching this simple ponytail right at the back of my hair. So that's all. Do your thing.